Parents, this video is for educational purposes only. Please practice with adult supervision. Hello, Super Yogis. I'm Miss Flexi. Welcome back to Rainbow Yogi. Today is our Super Flexibility Challenge. We'll stretch our whole body from our fingertips, star pose. Stand with your feet wide apart. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Reach as tall as you can. Imagine you're the brightest star in the sky. Fantastic! Standing side stretch. Raise your right arm. Lean gently to the left. Feel the stretch along your side. Now switch sides. Reach even taller. Wonderful! Half moon pose. Balance on one leg. Lift your other leg behind you. Open your chest. Reach one hand toward the sky. Stay steady. Amazing! Triangle pose. Step your feet wide apart. Reach one hand toward your foot. Stretch your other arm straight up. Take slow breaths. Excellent! Reverse warrior. Bend your front knee. Reach one arm high above your head. Stretch gently backward. Open your side body. Keep smiling. Beautiful! Wide leg forward fold. Keep your feet wide. Slowly fold forward. Let your head relax. Feel the stretch in your legs. Take a slow breath. Awesome! Pyramid pose. Step one foot forward. Keep both legs nice and straight. Fold gently over your front leg. Stretch only as far as feels comfortable. Breathe slowly. Fantastic! Low lunge. Step one foot forward. Lower your back knee. Lift your chest. Reach both arms toward the sky. Feel the stretch in your hips. Fantastic! Lizard pose. Bring both hands to the floor. Stretch your front leg gently. Keep your back leg long. Take slow, deep breaths. Amazing! Downward dog. Place your hands on the floor. Lift your hips high. Press your heels toward the ground. Make your body like a big upside down letter V. Wonderful! Dolphin pose. Place your forearms on the floor. Lift your hips. Press gently through your shoulders. Feel your upper body getting stronger. Excellent! Puppy pose. Walk your hands forward. Keep your hips above your knees. Lower your chest gently. Stretch your shoulders. Take a slow breath. Beautiful! Cobra pose. Lie on your tummy. Place your hands beside your shoulders. Lift your chest. Look forward. Smile bright. Awesome! Sphinx pose. Lower onto your forearms. Keep your elbows under your shoulders. Lift your chest proudly. Relax your shoulders. Breathe slowly. Fantastic! Bridge pose. Lie on your back. Bend your knees. Place your feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips toward the sky. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Fantastic! Boat pose. Sit tall. Lift your feet off the floor. Stretch your arms forward. Balance carefully. Keep smiling. Amazing! Butterfly pose. Bring the bottoms of your feet together. Hold your feet gently. Let your knees move like butterfly wings. Sit nice and tall. Beautiful. Cow face pose. Cross one leg over the other. Sit comfortably. Reach one arm up. Reach the other arm behind your back. Stretch your shoulders gently. Now switch sides. Excellent! Seated forward fold. Stretch both legs in front of you. Reach toward your feet. Relax your shoulders. Stretch gently. Take slow breaths. Awesome! Wide-legged seated. Forward fold. Open your legs nice and wide. Sit up tall. Walk your hands forward. Stretch only as far as feels comfortable. Keep breathing. Fantastic! Happy baby pose. Lie comfortably on your back. Lift your knees toward your chest. Hold the outside of your feet. Gently rock from side to side. Smile and relax. Fantastic! Reclining twist. Keep lying on your back. Hug your knees into your chest. Slowly let your knees fall to one side. Turn your head to the opposite side. Take slow, peaceful breaths. Now gently switch sides. Wonderful! Hero pose. Sit comfortably on your heels. Rest your hands on your knees. Sit nice and tall. Relax your shoulders. Close your eyes for a moment. Take one slow breath in and slowly breathe out. Amazing! Corpse pose. Lie flat on your back. Let your arms rest beside your body. Let your legs relax. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Take one deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel your whole body becoming calm, quiet, and relaxed. Imagine a warm rainbow light surrounding you, helping every muscle relax. Enjoy this peaceful moment. You did it! Congratulations, Super Yogis! You completed all 25 flexibility yoga poses. Give yourself a big round of applause. I'm so proud of every one of you. If you had fun stretching with me today, ask a grown-up to subscribe to Rainbow Yogi. We have brand new yoga adventures every week. I can't wait to stretch with you again. Until next time, keep stretching, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep believing in yourself. Goodbye, Super Yogis. See you in our next yoga adventure.